Your Ford truck's check engine light just came on, and you're staring at a potential $150 diagnostic fee at the shop. What if I told you that for the same price or less, you could own a professional-grade scanner that pays for itself after just one use? Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best OBD2 scanners specifically chosen for Ford truck owners. Whether you're driving an F-150, Super Duty, or Ranger, these aren't just code readers. These are diagnostic powerhouses that can save you thousands in repair costs. Let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, we have the ANCEL FD500 Ford OBD2 scanner. This isn't a generic OBD2 reader trying to do everything. It's built specifically for Ford vehicles, and that specialization makes all the difference. The FD500 gives you access to Ford-specific trouble codes that generic scanners simply can't read. We're talking ABS codes, airbag codes, transmission issues, and of course, full engine diagnostics. But here's where it gets really interesting for diesel owners. This scanner supports DPF regeneration. If you've got a PowerStroke diesel, you know that forced regen at the dealership can cost you over $200. This scanner lets you do it yourself, in your driveway. The live data streaming feature is incredibly useful. You can watch sensor readings in real time, displayed as graphs on the screen. This is perfect for diagnosing intermittent issues that don't always throw a code. Plus, the oil reset function and other maintenance resets mean you're not paying the dealership $50 just to turn off a service light. Now, one thing to consider, because this is Ford-specific, if you own multiple vehicle brands, you'll need different scanners for each. But if you're a dedicated Ford owner, that specialization is actually your biggest advantage. The software updates are free for life, which means this scanner will work with Ford's latest models as they're released. For the price point, the ANCEL FD500 delivers professional Ford diagnostics without the professional price tag. It's perfect for the DIY mechanic who wants dealer-level access to your truck's systems. At number 2, we have the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scanner. Instead of carrying around another bulky device, the BlueDriver turns your smartphone into a powerful diagnostic tool. Here's what makes the BlueDriver special. It's not just reading generic OBD2 codes. This scanner accesses manufacturer-specific codes for Ford, which means you're getting the same detailed information you'd get at the dealership. The Bluetooth connection is rock solid, and the companion app works seamlessly on both iOS and Android. But the real game changer is the report feature. When you pull a code, the app doesn't just tell you what's wrong, it shows you verified fixes from actual mechanics who've solved that exact problem. This crowdsourced repair information can save you hours of troubleshooting and prevent you from replacing parts you don't need to replace. The smog check feature is clutch if you live in a state with emissions testing. You can check your readiness monitors before heading to the testing station, so you're not wasting time and money on a failed test. And unlike basic code readers, the BlueDriver scans all systems: ABS, airbag, transmission, everything. The potential downside, you need to keep your phone with you, and if your phone battery dies, so does your scanner. But honestly, in 2026, who doesn't have their phone on them at all times? The convenience and smart features far outweigh this minor consideration. Coming in at number 3 is the Autel MaxiCheck MX808 scanner. This is the 2026 US version, and Autel packed it with features that rival scanners costing twice as much. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. 3,000 active tests. That's not a typo. This scanner can perform bidirectional control on virtually every component in your Ford truck. Want to test if your fuel pump relay is working? Command it to turn on. Wondering if your radiator fan is the problem? Activate it manually. This level of control means you can pinpoint problems with surgical precision instead of throwing parts at your truck and hoping something works. The 28 service functions cover everything you'd need for maintenance: oil resets, electronic parking brake service, steering angle sensor calibration, DPF regeneration, battery management, throttle adaptation, and TPMS relearning. If you do your own maintenance, this scanner eliminates multiple trips to the dealership. With its 7-inch Android touchscreen, the interface feels like using a tablet, and the OE-level diagnostics mean you're getting the same depth of information that Ford technicians see. The FCA auto-off technology also means this scanner works with modern security gateways that block cheaper scanners. The consideration here is the sheer number of features might be overwhelming if you're just starting out with diagnostics. There's definitely a learning curve, but Autel includes excellent support documentation, and once you learn the system, you'll wonder how you ever worked without this level of capability. At number 4, we have the Innova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool, and this scanner brings something unique to the table. It's made by an American company with US-based technical support. If you've ever struggled with broken English manuals or chatbots that don't understand your question, you'll appreciate what Innova offers. The 5610 isn't just a code reader, it's a teaching tool. The Repair Solutions database doesn't just tell you there's a problem, it explains what that problem means in plain English and gives you step-by-step guidance on how to fix it. This is huge if you're not a professional mechanic but want to do your own repairs. The bidirectional control features let you actively test components, and the all-system coverage means you can diagnose issues in your engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems. The live data streaming lets you monitor multiple parameters simultaneously, which is essential for tracking down those annoying intermittent problems. But here's the real selling point. When you get stuck, you can call an actual human being in the United States who knows these scanners inside and out. They can walk you through diagnostics and help you interpret what you're seeing. That level of support is rare in this price range. The trade-off, the Innova doesn't have quite as many advanced features as some of the other scanners on this list. It's not going to do injector coding or some of the really specialized functions, but for 95% of diagnostic and repair tasks, it's more than capable, and that customer support can be worth its weight in gold when you're stuck on a tough problem. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the XTOOL D7 bidirectional OBD2 scanner, and this is the ultimate tool for Ford truck owners who want no compromises. This is the 2026 latest version with a massive 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and it's packed with cutting-edge technology. With 36 reset services, the D7 covers virtually every maintenance and calibration function you could need. But what really sets the D7 apart is the advanced protocol support, CAN FD and DOIP. If you've got a 2020 or newer Ford truck, these protocols are essential for accessing all the systems. Many cheaper scanners simply can't communicate with these newer network architectures. The injector testing and coding capability is massive for PowerStroke diesel owners. If you need to replace an injector, this scanner can code it to your ECM, which would normally require a trip to the dealership costing several $100s. The throttle reset and crank sensor relearn functions are critical for EcoBoost engines, especially after maintenance work. The full system diagnostics cover every module in your truck, and the bidirectional active tests let you command individual components to verify they're working correctly. The large touchscreen interface is responsive and intuitive, making complex diagnostics easier to navigate. Here's the consideration with the D7. It's a professional-grade tool with a price tag to match. If you're just doing basic maintenance and occasional code reading, this might be more scanner than you need. But if you're doing serious work on modern Ford trucks, especially diesel or EcoBoost models, the D7's advanced capabilities justify the investment. Before you make your decision, think about what you actually need. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.